Two claps up and a Ric Flair. Woo! In this book, The Magic of Getting What You Want, the author David Schultz spoke about the give to get technique. He talks about to get a lot, you have to give a lot, and speaks to practicing 5 special gift giving techniques. Number 1, give intangible gifts whenever. A genuine smile, a good morning, a thank you. 2, tailor the gift to the receiver's interest. My daughter is a big K-pop Korean music fan. And I got her some software to learning how to practice her Korean. Number 3, put thought value, not money value, into your gift. This ties into what I just said about my daughter's gift. Give when it's least expected. Pick up some flowers for your wife just because. Number 5, give more of you. Make that second effort. If you're marketing online, you want more likes on your posts, go like and comment on other people's posts. Remember that generous people win, selfish people lose. For life and business, I would highly suggest the book, The Magic of Getting What You Want.